Hey guys, this is CD, and today we are going to see what is SAP, what kind of software it is, and how it works. So, before jumping into knowing what is SAP, let me tell you about the history of SAP. SAP is named after a biggest European company which was founded in 1972 with just 5 employees, and it stands for System Application Software in Data Processing. Now it is the fourth largest enterprise software. I am mentioning it as an enterprise software because SAP is basically an enterprise resource planning tool, which is ERP tool. Now 95% of top German companies use SAP. Let me tell you about ERP. Enterprise Resource Software. It is an high-ended sophisticated software. Why it is called high-ended sophisticated software? I'll give you an example. For an example, you run a company, there will be a certain activities that you should do. Like you have to check for the materials, you have to plan for its production, you have to check whether these materials are available in the warehouse, you have to take sales order, you have to track it, and you have to deliver it properly to the customer. So there will be a lot and lot of process to be managed. When it comes to uh, these kind of production in large scale, this cannot be managed manually in large scale. So there comes an ERP tool which helps you to manage and integrate all these activities in one single tool. For example, planning, purchasing, inventory, sales, which is actually you are checking for the stocks in the warehouse, and marketing, finance, human resource. So these everything will be managed and it will be integrated in one tool. It helps you to automate the tasks involved in performing these business processes, and it will optimize, maintain, and track each and every business function involved in the company. And it will provide you with accurate and timely information. Like you will be having a track where the product is actually, whether it is in the production, or it is ready for its delivery, or it is in the process of delivering, or it has reached the customer. So you will be having a timely information in it. And SAP R3, SAP R3 ECC are few examples. So what is R3? It is actually a three-layered architecture. It involves user interface layer, application layer, and database layer. And what is this R3 ECC? ECC is Enterprise Central Component. It will be involving all the functional components. I am telling here the functional component is because what is functional component? It is nothing but different departments in a company. In a company, there will be a department for managing the material, there will be a department for managing the production planning, and there will be different departments for maintaining all sorts of processes, and it will be grouped into a department. So this ECC software will involve all the departments in one thing. So that is called SAP R3 ECC, and R3 is the structure of it. I'll tell you the pros and cons, which is before ERP and after ERP. In before ERP, everything is done manually. So there is a chance of data duplication, data inconsistency, and you can track or lose the order, and there will be lack of information between the departments. When it is in large scale, it is very hard to integrate all these informations, right? So when ERP is introduced, the data becomes centralized. So everyone will know about the data and they have access to know about the data. And with this, there will be a workflow automation. Like you will be having a workflow automation from starting of process right from order to delivery. So these kind of repetitive process will also be automated, and there will be integration in product and services in one pipeline, and how it is moving, like whether this product has reached the customer or where it is now. Raw materials management, like whether the material has been prepared, or it is ready for the production planning. So you'll be having a track on everything, and everything is managed and known in this tool. So after ERP is introduced, this has helped us to automate and optimize and maintain the business function in a company. This is the basic idea what is SAP and ERP. To know more about SAP and things, please do follow and support. Thank you.